morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right, I am back again with a new video. And this week we're going to talk about some brand spanking new hair products. I'm talking about brand spanking new, as in I didn't even know about these products until I hit Target. So if you guys want to know what I am talking about, stay tuned. Okay, I am back. So happened to be in Target few weeks back actually, and was walking past all the, the personal care aisles and everything. And on an end cap was like two new product lines of products. And one of the product lines is called Emerge, which is this right here. So I was like, I had some other products in my cart, and I was like, wait a minute, I'm intrigued. So put everything else back. I picked up everything from the line. Yeah, I'm a little crazy. I picked up everything from the line. All the prices range like $18. So everything was around $20. But when you guys see the sizes of these products, you're going to be, I was very okay because I saw the product sizing. That's what made me say, oh, I don't mind spending $20 when you get your shampoo at 16-ounce bottles. So let's just start with the shampoo. This is the It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo for curly and coily textures, cleansing and detangling, infused with almond milk. This is a 16 fluid ounce bottle right here. Hello, 16 ounces. Oh no, just wait. There's more. Here is the Smooth Mover Conditioner for curly and coily textures. This is moisturizing and softening, infused with almond milk, 16 ounces for the conditioner. Come on. Oh no, I'm not done. This is the Back to Life hair mask. This is for deep conditioning and reviving. This is infused with almond milk. Also, this is 15 ounce. This is a 15-ounce jar right here. Come on, I'm not even done. There is my main BFF. I can't talk. I just got off work. My main BFF leave-in conditioner. This is for nourishing and smoothing. This is 15.5 fluid ounces. I'm still not done. I mean, you got the My Everything Buttercream. This is for curl defining and softness. This is infused with patchouli oil. It's not patchouli. PEQUI oil. And this is 15-ounce jar right here. I've used a pretty good amount of this one. And the last thing, this I haven't used. This is the Style Goals gel for, this is definition and control. This is 11.7 ounce right here. Come on. Everything in the product line is very good sizes. So, and that was the other thing that kind of intrigued me, because I was like, okay, have they been like listening to YouTubers and people that do like reviews and things like that to know that bigger sizes are the best? I mean, I don't know. Like I said, $18 each for, I believe it was like, everything was like $18 a piece. It's been a while. I'm going to try to get links to everything below. Last time I looked on Target's site, it wasn't on there yet, but I'm going to try to get everything below for you so you all can see all the pricing from Target. And come on, the sizes, you have to love large size products to go on your hair. But let's talk about how it worked on my hair. Okay, let's talk about how I felt about every piece of the line. Okay, It's Not Happening sulfate-free shampoo. The shampoo was good. It actually, here's the funny thing, you don't need a lot. It lathers very quickly. It gets in the scalp. It does its job. It's not a bad thing. It doesn't strip my hair. It got my scalp pretty clean. I actually pretty much liked it. The Smooth Mover Conditioner. I don't know why Smooth Mover is a hard thing for me to say. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it should have called it Smooth Operator. I don't know. But anyway, the conditioner's not too bad. I wasn't like wowed by it, but it's a rinse out conditioner. So it wasn't like one of those things that's like, oh my God, it's great. But I didn't dislike it. It wasn't a bad thing. So, it wasn't too bad. The Back to Life hair mask, I'm going to tell you something. I forgot I had it. And it was sitting with the hair gel, and I did not use it. But I will use it when I use the gel, so I will be back to give another review on those two pieces. So you guys, so don't fret. I will be talking about it talking about that at a later date. My main BFF leave-in conditioner. This was not too bad. I actually kind of liked it. It's a light leave-in conditioner. It's not too heavy. For it to be a cream, it was very nice. Last week's video, on my first and last, that was what was in my hair and my puff. Reason why that was just in my hair, along with some oil and just some oil, was because the My Everything buttercream, I tried it on a wash and go first last week. That's last week I tried a wash and go, and I'm gonna have a picture here of how it looked when I washed it and rinsed it out, put all the product in. It looked great. So it was like, oh, this has potential. But then it dried. And it sat on my hair. It didn't dry very well. The product sat on my hair. This product, it says on here it's for wash and goes, and it is for twist outs and wash and goes. Well, let me see. Hold on here. Twist with it, bounce with it, braid with it. Just don't underestimate it. That's what it says. This is not good for a wash and go. I'm just going to flat out say it. But for a twist out, it looks really good. It didn't sit on my hair. It dried through. I'm now doing more of a dry wash and go now. I mean, dry twist out. I'm letting my hair dry probably to like 80-90% and then twisting my hair, because I've noticed that when my hair is soaking wet and I do a wash and go, I keep saying wash and go. When I do a twist out, when my hair is soaking wet and I do it, when I do a twist out, I don't know, the twists are just so tight. My hair, it doesn't come out right, especially right here in the temples. So doing a somewhat dry twist out actually is starting to work better. And I wish I knew this when I started this whole natural hair thing. When I returned to natural, I wish I knew this back then, but that's okay. You're never too old to learn, as you all know. So, this actually is a really good product. I am so blown away, and I can't wait to try the gel. I cannot wait to try the gel. I'm going to try that over the summer. I have a bunch of gels back here for this summer. So we gonna have, it's gonna be a gel palooza come probably April, May, maybe, depending on how warm it gets, when it gets warm here. So like I said, you all are going to get we're going to do a second round review. We'll do a revisit with the gel and the deep conditioner, so you guys can hear about that. Okay, the inevitable question, would I buy these products again? Yes, actually I would. I would actually buy these products again. I like the fact that I'm taking 2 weeks to use a product, because if I didn't, and I would have did this video just off of the wash and go, this would have been a whole different video. I would have been trashing this product all the way around. But thank goodness I had a second week, and to put this as a twist out and to see how my hair reacts with the twist out. And this is, like I said, this is a very good product. My hair is very moisturized. I love the definition. You guys can see the definition. Let me get in close and you all can hear me more on the microphone. So you guys can really see the definition. I'm going to have pictures over here so you guys can see those too. From the few days that I have had it in a twist out. Yes, I would buy these products again. Yes, I would recommend these products because they are very good. Even if you can't use the cream and you want to use the gel, I mean, like I said, I haven't used the gel, but I have a really good feeling the gel is going to work. Fingers crossed. I'm hoping it works. I am going to give you a con. And was trying to figure out, was there a con? And then I did, then the smell test. The smell test. And this is it's reminiscent of the smell from the Tracee Ellis Ross pattern line. And I described the smell as bug spray. And I stand by that smell comparison. And unfortunately, these products have a hint of that smell. That's the only problem with these products. But the smell goes away very quickly because it's not very strong. Thank goodness it is not strong. But unfortunately, the smell is in almost every product. This is the shampoo, and it's in there. It's faint, but I can smell it. So I don't know what that ingredient is. I'm going to do some research, and I want to figure out what is that ingredient, and I'm going to compare the two. And if I can figure it out, I'm going to put it below here so you guys can see what is that ingredient, because it's very reminiscent to me to Raid bug spray. And I'm not a big fan of that smell. I'm just glad that, I'm looking out the window. I'm just glad that this product line, the smell is not so harsh that I don't want to use it. And I'm not going to open it. I'll wait. We will wait till this review comes out before you guys hear about the gel and the smell of the gel. Hopefully the gel does not smell like it too, but that's okay. Like I said, I would still buy this product line. And that is it for this video. I am done. I am going to get out of here. It is 5:19 on Thursday. I have to write a blog for class. I have another project. I have a future project that I need to start working on. I'm going to probably start it tonight. Hopefully. If not, I may start it tomorrow because it's going to be ice here tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to get out of here. I have stuff to get done, and I need to get some dinner because my tummy is growling. It's making noises, and it's making very rude noises. So I need to get out of here. So if you guys have any questions about any of the products, talk to me below. Like I said, I'm going to do my best and get links to all of these. Like I said, the last time I was on Target's site, it wasn't on their site yet. So I'm hoping by this time it is on the site. Like I said, there was another new product line that was there. I might grab that product line, and I may be doing a review on that at a later date. We'll see. I don't know. But I got another set of products you guys are going to see in a couple of weeks. And I'm getting ready to order some more products so you guys can see those in a month or two. So I'm going to get out of here. I have things to do. If you guys like videos like this and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I believe I just did that right. Sometimes I forget. Liking is free, subscribing is free, and talk to me below if you have anything to say. Hi, especially positive, please. Positive comments only. So I'm going to get out of here. I'm rambling. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.